THV is working for you this morning, discussing savings options through the insurance industry. If you're in a position to borrow money or purchase a home and you're still trying to save, then there really aren't a lot of options. But Cary Curzon with Delta Insurance Agency is here with solutions for you. Good morning to you, Cary. Thanks so much for coming in.
Good morning. Thanks.
Yeah, we appreciate it. Okay, these historical low rates are great, of course, but saving money can be difficult with, of course, not many options out there. So what's your advice?
Well, you're right. It's just been a very challenging time for the consumer to try to find something that's, for their safe money to earn a competitive rate of interest. But what we have found is that the insurance industry does have a couple of options that are available. One is a whole life insurance policy where you can actually deposit a lump sum and earn a rate of interest on that between 2% to 3.5%. Now that rate's going to vary depending on several factors, including your age, the amount of your deposit, and it is an insurance policy, so you do have to go through the qualification process for that.
All right, now Cary, it's great yield in this low market, so how long do you actually have to invest in a product if you want to see those returns?
Well, for that product, it's a very specially designed product so that you can have access to your cash value even in the first year without any penalties or any back-end fees. And while 2 and 3% doesn't sound historically attractive, but you have to put that in perspective today, where a 1-year CD at your local bank is only paying maybe half of 1%. And with this, if you can go through the qualification process and get that 2 to 3%, that's almost 4 times to 5 times the amount of a 1-year CD. So that could be worth it for you.
Yeah, definitely a great alternative to traditional savings instruments. Are there any other options?
Well, insurance companies also have annuities. Now these are savings accounts with the insurance company where you deposit your money with them, and in return for that they pay you a stated rate of interest for a specific period of time. You lock in for maybe 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, and that rate depends on the amount of time you lock in. So typically the longer the period of time you lock in, the higher the rate. For example, a 5-year fixed rate today may pay between 2.25% to 2.75% over that period of time.
Now, what should consumers be aware of if they're making that decision?
Yeah, that's the thing today, is that the rates are so low, and so there's so many things out there that that consumers are struggling to try to find. So you really want to do your homework, ask a lot of questions, make sure you understand what you're putting your money into, what's guaranteed, what's not guaranteed. Make sure you're dealing with somebody you can trust, and if you're working with an insurance company, make sure it's a very highly rated, very reputable company.
Yeah, of course. You want to make sure that your money will be safe, of course. And if you have any questions about this, Cary would be a perfect person to go to with those questions. I'm sure he's got a lot of other great information too. And his contact information is up on your screen right now. They're located at 11700 Cantrell Road. So go ahead and check it out and learn a little bit more about this. Cary, thank you so much for being here this morning. We really do appreciate the information.
Thank you.